Hey, Jeff Luff here from Alternative Heating and Supplies, getting ready for another season. I'm already starting to get the questions because I came up with some new products that I want to introduce to you now about our boiler treatment. And our original boiler treatment was ProTech, and that is, I had that made about 4 or 5 years ago. I wanted a superior product with up to 3 levels of protection to protect, which exceeds all the manufacturers that make these products for their brands, Central Boiler, Woodmaster, Wood Doctor, all those. They made their own products, which are very expensive, and they only have about 2 levels of protection, and some of them even only 1. So I made the ProTech to ensure that I covered the whole gamut of possible areas of needing of protection. So that's why I came up with ProTech. The Amtech is a product that I came out with, which is 2 levels of protection, which is more than or as much as what the manufacturers put out for protection for their units. The reason I wanted to get the Amtech 200 is I wanted to have a better price point than the ProTech. The ProTech obviously having the 3 levels of protection, I wanted to get something that would be able to save the end user a few dollars and offer the same amount of protection as what the manufacturers are selling you. The A200 is a kind of what I call the environmentally friendlier product. It is a nitrate-based product instead of a nitrite like the Amtech and ProTech. What that really means is that it's a little bit better for the environment. Nitrite-based products are not that bad for the environment, as you can tell when you drain the products. They don't even kill the grass that's underneath the units. But I wanted to offer a friendlier, environmentally friendlier product. That's why I came up with the A200. They all do the same level of protections. They protect you very, very well. The ProTech has got another level of protection, which is just a little bit better, superior. The nitrate-based product, the A200, contains a nitrate. Stop there. Okay. The Amtech and the ProTech contains nitrate and silicate protection, as well as is a very good oxygen controller. Again, that's so much different. Okay. As you can see, the ProTech stands out a little bit. Better to use with units that are having constant and frequent water. God damn it! When you're adding water.
The whole video can't be a blooper.
I know. As you can see in the chart, the areas of focus. Okay, they works well with glycol, environmentally friendly, or enhances products if mixed with other products. Better for units with frequent water refills, best oxygen controller in the business, and so on and so on. With the 3 different boiler treatments that we have, the ProTech test kit works with the Amtech and ProTech. The A200 has its own, because it's a nitrate-based product, test kit that needs to be purchased for the A200. So if you're ordering, it is called the TK500 for the A200 treatment. Now there's a couple other areas of the boiler that need to be observed when doing your maintenance and protecting your unit. I came up with a product called CF205. That is a flush/cleaner. That should be done after the season. And what the concept here is that you pour it into a unit, and you can add white vinegar to enhance its ability to clean up to 3 gallons. And you're going to put it in your system for up to 4 to 8 hours and run it through your system and then drain it. That's going to help clean your heat exchangers. It's going to help clean the inside of your boiler and everything else. Once you have drained the CF205 and the white vinegar if you used any, and you're going to refill it and add your boiler treatment, whichever one you'd like. Then what it comes to is inside the burn barrel. There's products that we carry also, which is like anti-creosote, which helps clean the inside and helps remove all the creosote buildup that might be in there. Products like this do help. Okay. Then you've got the cleaners for the exterior part of the unit, like when you go above the door, it becomes blackened and stuff like this. There's a couple of products that we offer. Is another ACS product, which is a citrus-based product, which is great for cleaning. Definitely very environmentally friendly. And then probably my favorite product for cleaning the exterior part of the unit and a lot of other things is the Purple Power, which we're now carrying. Very inexpensive, cleans fantastically, makes your unit look brand new. But these are the products that we're carrying now. We feel that we have the best spectrum of products, and we hope that you find this helpful. And please go to our website, check out our catalog, and if you have any questions, give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you for checking us out, and I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully it's helpful. Have a happy heating season. Thanks.